This is Krishna, I'm making what you like and make for your pleasure and offering it for your happiness. I'm not offering you what I like. I'm not offering you what I like for my pleasure and hope that you'll take it. I like rajma and pizza and chow mein and ice cream all in one meal. And so you please, Krishna, you take it. It's nice. You'll like it. It's good for you. So that's some kind of offering. Radharani, she cooks exactly what Krishna wants and exactly the way he likes it, and offers it, and dips every offering into her heart. She coats every offering with her heart, and then after coating the offering with her heart, then she offers to Krishna. So Krishna eats. He actually takes our love, not our food. So these details that change Upadeshavali, the row or series of Upadesh. Avali means a row of, or a series of, or a group of. The details of Siddhanta Saraswati's Upadesh are somewhat changed. There's Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada Upadeshavali, then there's also A.C. Bhaktivedanta Upadeshavali. So he would say, if one doesn't chant 16 rounds a day, then Krishna doesn't accept his offerings. Because actually, as I started to mention, the offerings don't go, the holy name doesn't send our offerings to the Lord, and our devotion doesn't send the offering to the Lord, but our Guru sends the offering to the Lord. So if we please the Guru, and everything we do in puja, we have to go through the Guru. Even if you have Sakhi Sarup, Siddhadeya in spiritual world, Manjari Sarup, even then you go through Guru. There's no direct flights, non-stop flights, direct. They have to stop at the feet of Guru. All flights have to stop there. And then from there you can go with Agya, Guru Agya, and do your seva to Radhika or Lalita, Rupa Manjari or whomever. So, even on the highest end, we're approaching Radharani, specifically Radha, through Guru. We go and collect some flowers, some dewy flowers and bela. And then we make some nice garland with love and devotion, very beautiful, attractive garland. And then we don't just, Radharani, this is for you. No, then we go to Gurudev, our Guru Sakhi, say, Guru Sakhi, Manjari, please, is this garland okay? Can you offer this garland to Radharani? And Guru will say, this garland is nice, but where are the Tulsi Manjaris? Did you forget that Krishna likes garlands with Tulsi Manjaris? Oh no, I didn't forget, but I was making this garland for Radharani. No, but don't you know, Radharani, Radharani will be pleased with the garland, but she'll be more pleased if she gets Krishna's Mahaprasad, Prasadi Mala from Krishna. So better you go and do it again. Acha, theek hai. So then you go and you make a garland again. So many flowers, then some manjari, then so many flowers, then some manjari, and so many flowers and manjari. Like this. And then you come back to Guru Sakhi and say, here, how about this? Oh, this is very good. Now I'll give this garland to Rupa Manjari. And then Rupa Manjari comes and then, this is very nice, I'll give this to Lita. Then Lita says, this is very nice, I'll give this to Radharani. Then Radharani said, this is very nice. Very nice garland. It's made very nicely. Lalita, who has made this garland? I don't know. I got this from so and so, Manjari. Acha. No, I want to know who made this garland. You find out. So then Lalita asks Rupa, and Rupa asks Guru Sakhi, and Guru Sakhi says, Radharani wants to see you. Because I don't know why, but you go. So then Radharani goes, you go to see Radharani. She said, you made such a nice garland. I couldn't make such a nice garland myself. Now I'm going to offer this garland to Krishna when I meet him at Radhakund. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy with your offering me this garland that I'm going to give you something special. So then Radharani, she in a fold of her sari around her waist where she rolled her sari down, she takes out, she says, "This is my ankle bell. This fell off last night in the Kunj when I was with Krishna. And I kept this for you. You keep this." So then the Manjari is so happy. But everything is called anugatya. Sakhi anugatya or guru anugatya goes in sequence. A chain. There's a chain. A service chain. Parampara. How do we follow Upadesh Avali of Bhakti Santa Saraswati? We don't. We follow Guru Upadesh Avali. You follow the spirit. In other words, you don't follow the letter of the law, the spirit of the law.